To get the leads, you want to go to this website, because this is the site where you will get 100 new leads every day and send out the emails. Today I show you a new strategy I'm trying to make money online with affiliate marketing. I do this so you don't have to waste any time and money to figure it out on your own. A lot of beginner affiliate marketers are struggling with their email list. And there's a saying in digital marketing that the money is in the list. So if you have a bigger list, you make more money. A few weeks ago, I found a service which provides you with 100 new leads every day. The leads you get all gave the permission to advertise to them and send them emails. And almost all of the leads are from the United States. And now my strategy is to use this platform and the provided email addresses and send them one email every day with an offer from ClickBank. This service costs $1 per day and I hope to get a profit with this system. I don't think I'm falling to a scam because I saw proof that this system could work. To see it for yourself, here are a few screenshots. And now I show you exactly what I'm doing every day. First I have to log in, then I use the mailing system. From here I'm sending out the emails. I'm not going to write any emails on my own, I use emails from ClickBank. So let's open ClickBank, log in. On the ClickBank marketplace, I go to e-business and e-marketing because the leads are all for business opportunities. So this is the category which will probably work the best. Then I choose an offer, we take this one. If you are on the affiliate page, go to the email swipes, email 1, a YouTuber wants to hire you. Copy this, go back to the mailing system, type it in. Then we have to change this first name so that it's working. Go back, take the body, copy it and paste it. We have to change again the name. Always take first name. If there are any spelling mistakes or you want to change it, just change it. Here I have to change from country to United States. I would change this. And over here is my affiliate link. Go back to ClickBank, click on promote, enter your link, generate hop link, copy this one, go back to our mailing service and put in. Now we have the email and I've sent the email out today, so I'm not able to send it. Otherwise there would be here a preview and send email. And this would be the email I'm sending. I think this was about 3 minutes of work and now send. And now I do this every day to all the leads I get. To be honest, I haven't made a sale so far. A lot of the screenshots earlier, these people have multiple accounts or referred other people to MyLeadGenSecret. If you do so, you get 100 bonus leads a day. The maximum is 200. If you have an account, take your affiliate link and with this link make a second account and you get 100 bonus leads to your first account and 100 for your second account. And I know a few people who have 5 to 10 accounts and get leads very fast. So I hope my first sale will come soon and I keep you updated.